Hi, and thank you for joining me today. My name is Jessica, and I work for the County of San Diego. We live in an increasingly digital world, and there are many times when you may not easily be able to leave your home, whether due to a pandemic, an injury, or just a busy schedule at home. These how-to videos have been created to equip you with the resources for how to use different mobile applications. So today, I'm going to share with you a great free resource for self-care called Gratitude. Gratitude is your personal journal application where you can write about things that you are grateful for. Being grateful or expressing gratitude helps to focus your attention on the positive things in your life. Keeping a gratitude journal and being thankful for small little things could have tremendous benefits on your quality of life. It can be downloaded on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. So let's get started. Before we begin with the presentation, there are a few tips I would like to go over with you. First, while we are going through this video, I encourage you to follow along on your own device. Second, feel free to grab a pen and paper and take notes throughout this tutorial. And lastly, please pause or rewind this video at any time if you feel the need to follow the process at a slower pace. The first thing you will do is go to the App Store on your mobile device. For iPhone users, this will be the blue application called App Store. For Android device users, this will be Google Play. Once you open the App Store, you will press search and type in Gratitude. Once the application pops up on your screen, you will install it onto your device. And this is what the application should look like. The first prompt that pops up when you open the application is a message informing you that any information you add to your journal is completely private. In box 1, it mentions that the data and information you use within the application is only on your device, unless you do a backup to your other accounts, such as Google Drive or iCloud Drive. In box 2, it states that they do not save any identifiable information of yours, only your email if you contact them for support. In box 3, it states that Gratitude is committed to never logging any of your personal journal information anywhere besides your device. And in box 4, it states that there is no pop-up ads to distract you from your journaling experience. Feel free to click on the blue words to review further information about the terms of use and privacy policy. To continue into the application, you must agree to Gratitude's terms of use and privacy policy by tapping on the Yes box. The application will walk you through information about Gratitude. The first slide that will pop up is the option to set up reminders for writing your journal and affirmations. To set up reminders, click on the Activate button. Then, click on the clock to choose what hour you would like to receive your reminders. After that, a message will pop up asking if Gratitude can send you notifications. If you would like to get daily reminders for writing your journal, affirmations, and daily Zen quotes, click Allow. Do note that you can edit your hours and reminders anytime while using the application. Next, the application will allow you to keep your information private by setting up a passcode lock using fingerprint or a number code. You can also choose to set this up at any time while using the application. Next, the application will share a few inspirational messages before getting started. If you would like to skip through the messages, press skip in the bottom left corner. If you would like to read each one, then press next on the bottom right side of your screen, or you can swipe left and right to go forward or back. And once you reach the last page, tap on the Get Started box to begin using Gratitude. When you arrive at the main screen, you will see 3 bars up in the top left corner. This will be your menu button where you can find a variety of options. A few that I will go over with you is first, located at the top, you can enter your name to make it more personal. Below that, you have the option to start a gratitude challenge. Keep in mind that the challenges may change periodically. Another option is to back up or export your journal information. You can also share the application with family and friends. If you are interested in to learn more about gratitude and how it got started, click here to check out their gratitude story. Another great option that the application offers is a choice for other languages such as Dutch, French, German, Greek, Portuguese, Romanian, Russian, and Spanish. So click here if you need to change the language. Now, the exciting part. Writing journal entries about things or people in your life that you are grateful for will increase your self-esteem, attitude, and bring more happiness and feel good to your life. To begin writing your journal entry, click on the plus button to the right of your screen. Now you have arrived at your first journal entry. Click on the three dots at the bottom left of your screen to see additional options for your entry. If you would like to write a letter to someone, click on the Write a Letter option. If you missed a day and would like to change the date of your entry, click on the Change Entry Date. You can also click on the different colored circles below to change the background color of your journal entry or letter. The light bulb on the bottom right side of your screen will help give you ideas to write about. And if you would like, feel free to attach a photo to your entry, located at the top of your screen. After you're all done writing, you can share your gratitude journal entry or letter with loved ones. The next option the gratitude application offers is affirmations. Affirmations are short, powerful statements that allow you to be consciously in control of your thoughts. To affirm is to say something positively, so an affirmation is firmly declaring a positive thought and assertively stating it as a truth. Writing your own affirmations will help you focus on your life values. To begin creating an affirmation, click on the plus button at the bottom right side of your screen. Then this is the screen that will pop up. Tap to type your affirmation. Once completed, down below, you will see the options to change the font of your text. Below that, you will see options to add a photo and change the background color of your entry. Keep tapping on the color button to see more color options. Once you are done with your affirmation, be sure to click the check mark up in the right corner of your screen to save it. If you would like to exit out of creating your affirmation or start over from scratch, click on the X located in the top left corner. After completing your affirmations and you are back on the affirmations main screen, you can choose to see a slideshow of your affirmations located at the top right corner of your screen. The next section of the gratitude application is Daily Zen. Here you will receive a daily quote to motivate you on your gratitude journey. If you come across a quote that you absolutely love or know someone who would love it, you can copy the quote as a plain text and paste it wherever you would like on other applications within your phone or device, or you can copy it to your affirmations page. Click on the share button to send to your family and friends or share on other social media pages. The next section is resources. Here you will learn more about the beauty of gratitude journals and the positive impact it will have on your life. And every day, new resources will unlock for you. While creating this video, an update occurred on the application and a new section was added called Vision Boards. Depending on your device, it may or may not be updated yet. However, on the vision board, you can create goals you have. Click on the Make My First Board to begin creating your first big goal. Once you make the title of your goal, a prompt will pop up to add a subsection to include small goals or details towards your big goal. Click on the Add New section to begin writing. Back at the main screen, you will see a calendar located at the top right corner. Click on the calendar to see an overview of your gratitude streaks and the progress you are making. Feel free to share your streaks with family and friends. Thank you for joining me today. Below this YouTube video, in the description, you will find the gratitude website link, which includes how to contact their customer service department in case you need any additional support. You can also find how to contact the County of San Diego if you have any further questions about this specific training, and links to access our other YouTube videos and trainings. These videos were created to advance the Live Well San Diego vision for a region that is building better health and living safely and thriving. So thank you, and continue to live well, San Diego.